Hello YouTube, welcome to another wonderful tutorial. Today I'll be showing you a quick Makossa intro or interlude. So in the key of F sharp. Now let me show you, let me quickly view my, yes. Okay, so now in the key of F sharp. So what I'm doing there, let me get my mic closer to me. Yeah. Okay, yes, I believe you can all hear me better now. All right, so it's very simple. I'm doing it in the key of F sharp because that was what was done in the song. I had to play it in the context so that you understand how it sounds. So F sharp. Now don't worry about how my keyboard is blinking. It's because of the harmony effect I added. That's why it's blinking like that. It gives that Makossa kind of vibe. All right, so let's see. It started with the 1 to the 5, back to the 1, then 3 to 4 to the 2, then 7 1 2 to the 7. Let me take that slowly. Then a little space. You can do this. Then immediately. So. Then finally. So. The same thing applies to the left hand. So. All right, so that's the whole vibe. Now, before we continue, before you can continue your Makossa, you can play something like what I did. So it's just the 4, the 6, and the 1. Back to the 4 6, then 5 6 1, 5 6 7, then back to the 4 and the 6 before you continue your Makossa. So I try to split my keyboard and make the bass voice a little bit high up here, so it sounds like bass guitar. Then I can hit my higher notes when playing the bass, not just only on the lower note. So let me quickly show you what I just did in the key of C, since I've been getting requests from some beginners to do tutorials in key of C or C sharp. So it's simple. You can translate what I've done in F sharp to C. So in C, it's just the 1 to the 5, do so do, then mi fa re, ti do re, ti mi so la, then finally, sorry, so it's just the same thing for C sharp, do so do. So just try and apply that in any key you're comfortable with. So don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, drop comments below what you want me to do. Thank you and God bless you. See you all.